Write each product using exponents. First, let's take a look at how you can use an exponent. In the expression a times a times a times a, notice that a is used as a factor 4 times. Another way to represent this product is to let a be a base and to let the number 4 be an exponent, with 4 being written as a smaller number above and to the right of a. This whole expression is a power, and it's equal to the original expression a times a times a times a. And the expression would be read as a to the 4th power. So a power represents a product of repeated factors, and the base of a power is the repeated factor, and the exponent gives you the number of times the factor is multiplied. Let's go back to the expression in part A and see how we can write this expression using exponents. The expression is 4 times 4 times 4. So this is a product of repeated factors where the repeated factor is 4. We can also call 4 the base. And the number of times it's repeated as a factor is 3. So if we use 3 for an exponent, another way to write the product is 4 to the 3rd power. And that's the answer to part A. Now look at part B. Negative 2 times negative 2 times x times x times x. Notice that this product involves 2 repeated factors, negative 2 and x. So to write this product using exponents, we can write this as a product of 2 powers. First, let's write a power using the repeated factor of negative 2. So write the base of negative 2. And notice, because the repeated factor is negative 2, it's very important to keep the parentheses so we have the correct meaning of the product, or the power. Now negative 2 is used as a repeated factor twice, so we should attach an exponent of 2. Now look at the other repeated factor of x, and it's used 3 times. So we can write x times x times x as a power x to the 3rd power. Notice the repeated factor is the base x, and the number of times it's used as a factor is the exponent 3. So the whole product in part B is represented by the product of the 2 powers, negative 2 to the 2nd power and x to the 3rd power.